Good morning, dear students. Today I'm coming with a new topic, that is high level topic, that is partners loan. As you know, what is capital? When the partner contribute cash or assets in the partnership fund, that is called partners capital. In addition of capital means if the capital is not sufficient, then the firm may take loans or advances from the partner. যদিহে কোনো অংশীদাৰী প্ৰতিষ্ঠানৰ মূলধন পৰ্যাপ্ত নহয়, তেওঁ মূলধনৰ উপৰিও অংশীদাৰৰ পৰা ঋণ গ্ৰহণ কৰিব পাৰে. It is called partners loan. Okay? An amount of advance or loan taken from the partner by the firm. Clear? Clear? যেতিয়া কোনোবা পাৰ্টনাৰে ফাৰ্মক capital contribution কৰাৰ উপৰিও হলে in addition of capital মই কৈছো in addition of capital an amount of advance or loan taken from the partner by the firm, that is called partners loan. তাহলে as we pass for it, when the partner advance a loan to the firm, cash comes in. Therefore, cash oblique bank account debit to partners loan account. This partners loan is a liability for the firm. Means the firm is liable to return the amount to the partner. Therefore, it will be treated as a liability for the partnership firm. Okay? This is called partners loan account. Okay? Our next topic. Topic number 6 is interest on partners loan. মানে অংশীদাৰৰ ঋণৰ ওপৰত সুদ। মই আগৰ ক্লাছলৈ কৈছিলো যদিহে কোনো অংশীদাৰে মূলধনৰ উপৰিও প্ৰতিষ্ঠানলৈ কোনো আগধন বা ঋণ আগবঢ়ায় তাক কোৱা হয় partners loan. যদিহে if any partner advances an amount as advance or loan to the firm besides his capital, such an amount is termed as partners loan. If a partner advances an amount to the firm that he is entitled to get interest on such loan, that is called interest on partners loan. যদিহে কোনো অংশীদাৰে মূলধনৰ উপৰিও অংশীদাৰী প্ৰতিষ্ঠানখনলৈ কোনো ঋণ বা আগধন আগবঢ়ায় তেতিয়া তেনে অংশীদাৰে হলে প্ৰতিষ্ঠানৰ পৰা সেই ঋণৰ ওপৰত কি পাব সুদ পাব। সেয়ে এই ইণ্টাৰেক্ট কি বুলি কোৱা হ'ব আমাৰ অংশীদাৰৰ ঋণৰ ওপৰত সুদ বুলি কোৱা হ'ব। Such an amount interest on partners loan is an expense to the firm. The firm কি হ'ব expense হ'ব and it is a charge against profit. Charge against profit. মই কৈছো the interest on partners loan is payment of interest on partners loan is not dependent upon profit. Whether firm will get profit or not, the firm has to pay interest on such loan. Firmৰ প্ৰতিষ্ঠানত profit লাভ বছৰৰ শেষত লাভ হওক বা নহওক প্ৰতিষ্ঠানখনে তেনে ঋণৰ ওপৰত সুদ পৰিশোধ কৰাটো অপৰিহাৰ্য কম্পালসৰি সেয়েহে এইটো কি বুলি কোৱা হৈছে এইটো লাভৰ ওপৰত ধাৰ্য বুলি কোৱা হৈছে therefore such and balance is to be transferred to the profit and loss account as it is a charge against profit therefore the interest on partners loan is to be transferred to the profit and loss account. Okay, now in the previous classes you have got in the absence of partnership deed if any partner advance a loan to the firm clear then he or she will get interest at the rate of 6% per annum on such loan যদি কোনো অংশীদাৰে প্ৰতিষ্ঠানলৈ ঋণ বা আগধন আগবঢ়ায় তেতিয়া তেনে অংশীদাৰে প্ৰতিষ্ঠানৰ পৰা 6% হাৰত সুদ দাবী কৰিব পাৰে তেনে আগধনৰ পৰা ঋণৰ পৰা 6% সুদ প্ৰতিষ্ঠানে পৰিশোধ কৰিব লাগিব বুজি পাইছানে যদি অংশীদাৰী প্ৰতিষ্ঠান অংশীদাৰী এগ্ৰিমেণ্ট নাই অংশীদাৰী আইন মতে 6% সুদ পৰিশোধ কৰাটো বাধ্যতামূলক হল এটা আমি একাউন্টিং এন্ট্ৰি চলাইছো what is the accounting entries for interest on partners loan number 1 if interest on partners loan is paid in cash যদি ক্যাশত পেমেন্ট করে interest on partners loan as you know interest on partners loan is an expense to the firm debit all expense and losses on the nominal account debit all expense and losses therefore interest on partners loan account should be debited interest on partners loan account debit as an expense cash comes in or goes out cash goes out it is paid in cash cash goes out therefore to cash oblique bank account clear next number 2 if interest on partners loan has not been paid in cash যদি হে interest on partners loan cash payment নকৰে then it will be adjusted in the partners capital either partners capital or current account যদি হে interest on partners loan যদি cash payment নকৰে তেতিয়া আমি কি হলা adjust কৰিব লাগিব তেতিয়া আমি এটো partners capital বা আমি current account আমি adjust কৰিব লাগিব where the capital is fixed when the capital is fixed then partners current account to be open and interest on capital interest on partners loan to be credited to the partners current account therefore is expense therefore interest on partners loan account debit to partners current account D where the capital is fluctuating if the capital is fluctuating then it should be credited to partners which account capital account therefore 90 should be debit to partners capital account number 3 for closing of interest on partners loan here partners loan transfer to profit and loss account because the charge is profit. Payment of interest on partners loan does not depend upon profit. Therefore, while closing the accounts of interest on partners loan, it should be transferred to the profit and loss account. Previously, interest on partners loan has been debited. Now it should be credited and it should be debited to which account? To the profit and loss account. Debit to interest on partners loan account. These are the entities past for interest on partners loan. Okay. Now, I think this part is clear to you. Now let's proceed to the next topic, 7 number topic. Partner salaries. অংশীদাৰ দৰমহা যদিহে কোনো অংশীদাৰে প্ৰতিষ্ঠানত সক্ৰিয়ভাৱে পৰিচালনাত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰে তেতিয়া তেনে অংশীদাৰে প্ৰতিষ্ঠানৰ পৰা দৰমহা দাবী কৰিব পাৰে, পাৰিশ্ৰমিক দাবী কৰিব পাৰে। হলে তেনে পাৰিশ্ৰমিকক কোৱা হয় পাৰ্টনাৰ স্যালাৰি বা অংশীদাৰৰ দৰমহা। When a partner actively work in a firm, actively participate in the management of the partnership firm, he or she should entitled to get remuneration. That is called partner's salary. Here, partner's salary, it is paid by the firm to the partner. Therefore, it is an expense to the firm. Here, payment of partner's salary is depend upon profit. Means it is an appropriation of profit. It is an appropriation of profit. Therefore, while closing the partner's salary, it should be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? Accounting entries. Number one. In partner salary is paid in cash. If the partner salary is paid in cash, partner salary is an expense to the firm. Therefore, it should be debited because under nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. Therefore, the entry should be partners salary account debit to cash oblique bank account. If partner salary has not been paid in cash, যদি কেছত দিব নোৱাৰে, A, where the capitals are fixed. When the capitals are fixed, then partner's salary should be credited to partner's current account. While capitals are fixed, all the adjustments are to be placed in the partner's current account. Therefore, this should be partner's salary account debit to partner's current account. Where the capitals are fluctuating, then only such a case, partner's salary is to be credited to partner's capital account, and this should be partner's capital account. For closing of partner's salary, while closing the partner's salary account, in a previous situation we have seen partner's salary is an expense, therefore partner's salary account has been debited. At the time of closing of partner's salary account, the partner's salary is to be credited. Okay, as this is appropriation of profit, therefore it is to be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Previously partner's salary debited, now it should be credited, and this should be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner's salary account. আগতে যেটো পার্টনার স্যালারি ডেবিট কৰা হৈছিল এক্সপেন্স আছিল এখানে আমি যেটা আমি একাউন্ট ক্লোজ কৰিম তে পার্টনার স্যালারি কি হৈ যাব ক্রেডিট হৈ যাব আকৌ যাব এটো যেটো পার্টনার স্যালারি অংশীদার আমাৰ ডিপেন্ড কৰিব প্ৰফিটৰ ওপৰত প্ৰফিট হলেহে পেমেন্ট হ'ব যদি প্ৰফিট নহয় এটা পার্টনারশিপ প্ৰতিষ্ঠানখনে অংশীদাৰ প্ৰতিষ্ঠানখনে কোনো ধৰণৰ অংশীদাৰ দৰমহা নিদিয়ে সেয়ে ক'ত ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰিব এটো প্ৰফিট এণ্ড লছ appropriation account যাব therefore that should be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners salary account. Okay, these are to be passed for partners salary. Topic number 8, it is called partners commission. অংশীদাৰৰ দস্তুৰী যেতিয়া এখন অংশীদাৰী প্ৰতিষ্ঠানত কোনো অংশীদাৰে প্ৰতিষ্ঠানৰ হৈ কোনো কাৰ্য সমাধা কৰে তেতিয়া অংশীদাৰজনে প্ৰতিষ্ঠানৰ পৰা কি পাব কমিশন বা দস্তুৰী লাভ কৰিব when a partner provides or providing services to the firm clear then he must get a fixed percent of commission that is called partners commission. Generally commission is paid on net profit. Okay, partners commission is an expense to the firm, therefore it should be debited. And partners commission is an appropriation of profit, therefore it is to be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? This is called partners commission. Accounting entries for allowing commission to partners. When the commissions are allowed to partners, where the capital is fixed. Okay, partners commission is the expense for the firm, therefore partners commission should be debited. Partners commission account debit to capital fixed, therefore it should be partners current account. Okay, while capital fixed it will be credited to partners current account. When the capital is fluctuating, then Only one account is to be opened for each partner. That is called partners capital account. Therefore, partners commission is to be credited to partners capital account. Therefore, partners will debit to partners capital account. For closing of partners commission, as you know, payment of partners commission is dependent upon profit. If there is profit, the partners commission to be paid, otherwise not. Therefore, partners commission is an appropriation of profit, and it is to be closed by transfer into profit and loss appropriation account. Previously, partners commission account has been debited. At the time of closing of it, partners commission account should be credited, and profit and loss appropriation account should be debited. Therefore, entry should be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners commission. Clear? These are the answers to be passed for partners commission. Next, methods for calculation of there are two methods for calculation of partners commission. Number one, percentage of net profit before charging the commission. Here, and number two is percentage of net profit after charging the commission. Here the difference is there before and after. Here the answer should be, the formula should be partners commission is equal to net profit commission into rate of commission divided by 100, because it is before charging commission there is only 10 by 100, 5 by 100. If a percent is 5%, then 5 by 100. If a percent is 10%, then 10 by 100. Okay? But here personal net profit after charging. After means it is already charged. On 100 rupees, 5% is already charged. Therefore, 5 by 105. 10% is already charged. Then 10 by 110. Therefore, the formula is partners commission is equal to net profit before commission into rate of commission divided by 100 plus rate of commission. Means if the percentage is 5%, then it is already after commission. Therefore, it should be 5 by 105. 10%, then 10 by 110. It is already, as it is already charged, after charge. Therefore, it should be added. Okay. And now move to the last topic. rent paid to partner means অংশীদাৰৰ পৰিশোধ কৰা ভাড়া। যেতিয়া কোনো অংশীদাৰী প্ৰতিষ্ঠানে অংশীদাৰৰ কোনো ব্যক্তিগত সম্পত্তি ঘৰ মাটি হ'ব পাৰে, ফাৰ্নিচাৰ হ'ব পাৰে, মেচিনাৰী হ'ব পাৰে, যেতিয়া কোনো ধৰণৰ প্ৰেমিচেছ হ'ব পাৰে, যেতিয়া প্ৰতিষ্ঠানখনে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে তেতিয়া সেই ভূমি বা সম্পত্তি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰাৰ বিনিময়ত প্ৰতিষ্ঠানখনে অংশীদাৰজনক কি দিব লাগে? ভাড়া দিব লাগে। সেইটো কোৱা হৈছে ৰেণ্ট পেইড টু পাৰ্টনাৰ। বুজি পাইছে নে? ৰেণ্ট পেইড টু পাৰ্টনাৰ। When a partnership firm use any property in the form of land, building, machinery of the partners for a business purpose, an amount of rent to be paid by the firm to the respective partner. That is called rent paid to partner. And this is paid by the firm, therefore it is an expense to the firm. কি হ'ব? Expense হ'ব। Expense কি হ'ব? Debit হ'ব। বুজি পাইছে নে? And it is a charge against profit. I already told you. Payment of rent to partner is not dependent on profit. ক'ব নেকি? তোমাৰ ঘৰটো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা বিনিময়ত আমি প্ৰফিট হ'লেহে ভাড়া দিম। নিজে পাৰ্টনাৰে ভাড়া, হয়নে নহয়? সেইকাৰণে পাৰ্টনাৰজনে ভাড়াটো যিটো পৰিশোধ কৰিব লাগিব সেইটো কেতিয়া লাভৰ ওপৰত নিৰ্ভৰশীল নহয়। Therefore it is called charge against profit. Therefore it is an item of profit and loss account. Clear? Now move to the accounting entries. Number 1, if the rent is paid to partner in cash. যদি পাৰ্টনাৰজনক যদি ভাড়াটো যদি কেছত দিয়া হয়, হয়নে? মই কৈছো এই ৰেণ্টটো পাবলৈ কি হ'ব? এক্সপেন্স হ'ব নাই? Therefore as an expense for the firm, therefore rent account should be debited to cash oblique bank account. Number 2, if the rent has not been paid in cash, cash of nidiye, if the rent has not been paid in cash, cash of nidiye, hanne? Tetia it is then it is to be adjust either partner's capital or current account. Therefore where the capital is fixed, the capital is fixed, then the amount of rent to be credited to partners current account. Therefore the this should be rent account debit to partners current account. Clear? B, where the capital is fluctuating, then because of fluctuating it should be credited to partners capital account. Therefore rent account debit to partners capital account. Clear? Next, for closing of rent account. What is closing of rent account? As you know, payment of rent is a charge against profit. It does not depend upon profit. Clear? Therefore it is an item of profit and loss. Previously rent account has been debited. At the time of closing of rent account should be credited and profit and loss account should be debited. And this should be profit and loss account debit to them. Okay, these are the entries we pass for rent paid to partner. Okay, till now we have discussed the various accounting entries relates to accounts relates to partner, accounts of partners. অংশীদাৰৰ লগত জড়িত যিমানবোৰ হিচাপ আছে, partners capital account, interest on partners capital, partners drawings, interest on partners drawings, partners loan, interest on partners loan, partners salary, partners commission, rent paid to partners. Till now we have discussed the different 9 accounts to be opened in relation to partner. অংশীদাৰৰ লগত জড়িত আমি 9খন হিচাপৰ আমি বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ আমি এন্ট্ৰিবোৰ আমি ডিসকাস কৰিলো। এই এন্ট্ৰিবোৰ তোমালোকে মেমোৰাইজ কৰাৰ আগতে ভালদৰে বুজি পাব লাগিব। ক'ত ফিক্সড, ক'ত ক্যাপিটাল হ'ব, ক'ত কাৰেন্ট হ'ব, ক'ত ডেবিট হ'ব, এক্সপেন্সৰ ডেবিট হ'ব, ইনকাম হ'লে ক্ৰেডিট হ'ব। সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকে এইখিনি এন্ট্ৰি ভালদৰে চাবা। মানে আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছ অনৱাৰ্ড we are going to solve the practical problems. সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকে এইখিনি ভালদৰে চাবা। যদি কিবা ডাউট আছে আমাৰ লগত ডিসকাস কৰিবা। Thanks for today.